and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're with Makka Pakka and we are going to have a look at our collection of wind-up toys. I used to play with wind-up toys when I was little. We have 4 different toys. First we have our little green alien in his blue spaceship and it has wheels. So I'm assuming it moves when we wind it up. We need to make sure we turn the knob the right way. Oh, look out, Makka Pakka. Here comes the alien. And he's coming to a stop. Next we have Miss Crawley from the movie Sing. She was quite funny, and I got a few laughs out of that movie. Let's wind her up and see what she does. Oh, I think I wound it the wrong way. Yes, let's go this way. I'm winding it towards me. Oh dear, Miss Crawley, you fell. There we go. Miss Crawley walks. And now we have the purple monkey with the white hat. I think he's going to skip with his skipping rope. Oh, ow. Be careful. Oh, look, his ears move as he jumps. I like this one. Let's wind it up one more time. I love wind-up toys because they don't require batteries or electricity. Our last wind-up toy is the frog. Do you remember what the frog does, Tiny fans? It's pretty amazing. Let's wind him all the way. Whoa! He flips backwards and lands on his feet. And he goes in a circle. Let's see if we can get all of the toys going at the same time. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.